All right, so this is it. We're on our way to doing the thing that everybody should do if you're coming to Lake Powell, and that is get a boat or bring a boat if you have one.
'Cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free. Baby, we can dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow
Hey everyone, today is the last day here in Lake Powell's RV campsite place. I don't remember the name. And what we're doing today is the thing that everyone should do when they come to Lake Powell. In fact, it's probably one of the only reasons to come to Lake Powell, and it is to take a boat on the lake. So let's go. So just sit back here, Mom. Here. All right, we are loading up the truck now.
Did you lock it?
And procrastinating to leave like always. But here now in Arizona, you were allowed to ride in the back of the truck, unlike in California. So it's kind of cool. It's only a short ride anyway, so it doesn't matter. But it's a very long process to hurdle all these people into one truck and go. So, Mom, back away from the vehicle. All right, we made it. We are officially on our way.
That's doing it on purpose.
I know.
Sean, your head's hitting the tree.
I noticed he was going to do that on purpose.
Yeah.
No, that's fine. It wasn't a big branch. Anyway, so yeah, now we're officially on the way. Look at this. Say hi, everybody. Almost flew backwards.
Hold on.
All right, so when you get here, you need to fill out some paperwork before you get on the boat. You have to have everybody in your group sign that's over 18. But it's pretty quick unless there's a line. We came the day before and filled out most of them, so we didn't have to wait. So Owen, you excited to go on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Which one is it?
Which one is it? We're gonna go get it right now. You ready?
High five. High five. High five. High five. High five. Shh. High five.
Oh, it wouldn't fit anyway.
Yeah.
So I didn't say this before, but you can actually take the boats to Antelope Canyon, but obviously you take a different route, which is through the water. If you guys want me to come back and do this, please comment below. I would love to do that and in a future video. All right, we're about to take off. We want to thank our helper. What was your name?
Megan.
Megan. Say hi. Thank you. Bye, Megan.
You told me I'm your anchor. I told you you're my bow. Through the wind and fire, we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never.
All right, so quick jump in the water and let's get refreshed. First, check this place out. Look how freaking awesome this is. If you guys don't want to come here, you guys are insane. This is so awesome. Let's jump in.
So forsaken for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break. Oh, I always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I always be your captain.
The reality is, in life, blue skies aren't always guaranteed. Sometimes. After the secluded beaches and beautiful scenery, the good times with families and friends, and in between those perfect Instagram pictures come the storms. Where was my dad during all this? Just kidding.
Alright, so we had to pull over. The wind got just a little too crazy, so we stopped, pulled over for a minute. Hopefully let the wind die down. This is a cool little rescue from the wind, you know? Really cool. I gotta say, man, glad we found this. Or else we were tossing back and forth in the water, getting splashed like crazy, and now we get to find this cool spot. It's totally worth it. But check out this place, it's pretty awesome. Look at this. Watch, we see like a ancient tribe up here of aliens. Touch it. I
could have sworn there was a rattlesnake from back there.
It's moving.
God damn it. Thought it was a rattlesnake.
What's that, Dad? What did you find over there?
Piece of trash.
I know I'm all burnt up and peeing clucking right now because I've been in the sun a lot. But this area we found is super awesome. Look at this. This is so freaking cool. This is like a chill spot. I'm sure there's tons and tons of snakes around here. But it's still cool for the moment. Alright, now that I checked out that spot over there, we're gonna check out this spot over here where Matt is.
Come on, Sean. He's so close, everybody.
I'm almost there. Just one more drink.
This is Matt Whitty, his brother-in-law, aka the captain of that rental boat over there. And this was steep, a lot steeper than once thought as we were coming around the turn right there.
We gonna take it, 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 g
let's go back.
Break time. Oh my God, all right, we made it. We're the only human beings that have ever made up this mountain. Oh, except for that dude and
Well, yeah.
young girl, but maybe, oops.
Except for that toddler that walked up it no problem.
Yeah, and faster than me, but beside that. But man, look at this view, so amazing.
Epic.
Alright, now to go down. This is a lot steeper than it looks, so don't make fun of me for almost passing out. Easier though, coming down. Oh my God. So much easier. It's actually really nice coming down. It's like walking on clouds. Walking on a cloud. So soft. tiresome. Got a lot of exercise, that's for sure. But still fun. That's so far down so fast. Really enjoyed this. Probably one of the best parts of the trip so far. Sorry for the copyright music in the background. So this video will be not monetized because of the Bob Marley playing it in the background. But you know what? I love you, Bob. You're amazing. Even though you're no longer with us. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. So stick right here and make sure to subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Alright, so thanks everyone for watching, and remember, spark a heart, change your life. See you next time. Bye. Oh, do it one more time. Do it one more time. Come on. There you go. Lift it up like that. There you go. Now walk backwards. The brothers. Can I get a thumbs up from the brothers?